Hello, today I want to give you a short review on this Dashcam camcorder that I just got on Amazon. I've already used it for a couple of days and I really like it. The suction cup is really powerful. I like the design. The one thing that I would have changed is the connector for the power, which I think it should be on the bottom, but that's not really as important. Connection is really simple. You just hook it up to your cigarette lighter and you're good to go. The camera comes with following: camera, of course, charger for your car, holder for the camera with the suction cup for your window, extra plate, charging cables, extra secure clips so you can secure the cable along your dashboard, and camera comes in with ScanDisk Ultra 16 gig micro SD card. Of course, manual, and a 20% off offer for the next purchase. So I'm not gonna talk about every single thing this camera can do, but instead I want to concentrate on telling you why I think this is a great camera for your car. I'm gonna show you a couple of different features that I think are important, and I'm gonna show you comparison between 1080p and 720p. Those are the most frequent settings that most people will use. So hopefully after this review you're gonna have enough information to decide whether this is camera for you or not, if you wanna buy it or not, and you're gonna be able to compare this camera with any other cameras. This camera was about $79, so it's a really great price for the performance of the camera. So camera has an ultra wide lens, on a side USB connector for the power. This is the connector for your GPS. I don't have GPS, I don't use it. And a reset button and a power button. In the back, couple of buttons. On this side, there's nothing. On top of the camera, you have a micro SD card slot and a microphone. On the bottom of the camera, you have a speaker. When you connect the camera through USB to your computer, you can have access to all your memory card directly on your computer, or you can use it as a PC camera. One of the coolest features of this camera is that as soon as you connect it to the power supply in your car or you start a car, the camera automatically turns on, and after a few seconds automatically starts to record. So you don't really have to think about turning it on or turning it off. You get a welcome screen, and then in a couple of seconds you will see blinking red light indicating that you already started recording. Once you stop the car and shut off the engine, the camera automatically shuts off. Goodbye. So let me show you a couple of features that I think are important. You basically operate with OK button, those arrows, and two buttons on the side. Right now I'm going to stop the recording, so I'm gonna click this button and recording has stopped. Right now I have indicator that I'm recording in 1080p. If I want to change the resolution, it's very easy. So the button on the left, when you click it once, you get to one part of the menu. Click it again, you have another page. So you can set a lot of features. I'm not going to talk about it too much. You also have options of changing the exposure, which I like, and I'm actually recording at minus 1/3 of exposure, because for what I think and what I'm in Florida, everything is a little bit too much exposed. So I like it at -3, and you can set HDR on and off. You can also connect it to your phone, which I don't really like and I don't need it. I would rather transfer the images just by removing the card and plug it in straight to my computer. It's just much easier this way. On the right hand side, you have an option to play the video or take a pictures. You have to hold it a little bit. When you let it go, now you are in picture mode, and now we can take 12 megapixel pictures. If you click again, then you are in playback mode, and you can preview and play your videos and with voice or without it. Of course, you can set it up to record voice or without voice. Using the arrows, you can go left and right, reviewing your videos. That's what I like about it. You don't need to plug it in anywhere. Everything is right here. Speakers on the bottom, so you can hear everything if you want to record with the voice.